So originally my idea for the commission was to create something that represented all of the different creative venues, public art and stuff in Newport. But through working on it, I kind of started in the path of like public art and what Newport has lost over like the course of its regeneration. So I chose to use a human figure as the canvas for the work because I ultimately think that it's people that make places, not icons, landmarks, public art, things like that. It is the people that make a place. Because I usually work with colouring pencil, I decided to complete this in colouring pencil too. The human figure is going to be like, or is in focus and much more detailed, and the elements of like Newport's landmarks, history, art is going to be sketched much more loosely upon her. Again, linking back to that idea that it's the people that make a place, not the places and the things themselves. So I'm hoping that when people look at the final commission, they can actually pinpoint these different elements of Newport and its history and see things that they remember from their childhoods and them and their own histories, and that those things will help them maybe be more hopeful about Newport and its future as like a creative, thriving place.